Let's look at this list of words together. What is the same about all of these words? The special sound k is the same. They all have the k sound in them. CK says k in duck. CK says k in duck. All of these words have the k sound in them. Can you see what else is the same about all these words? They all have one vowel in them. And we know that when there's one vowel in a word, it usually says it's short sound. So all of these vowels are short, and that's why I've marked them with a smiley face. Let's read these words together. Neck, neck. Back, back. Lock, lock. Quick, quick. When Q-U are together, they say quick. Sock, sock. Pack, pack. Very good. That's how we mark our vowels and circle our special sounds.